When I designed these notebooks, I wanted something that was very good quality. So I had PU leather and a suede type fabric with foiling, plus hardcover or soft cover, and each with 3 ribbons. Those were your standard specs, they're A5 size notebook. But I wanted to create something that could either be used for mindfulness or gratitude. But what I don't particularly like about a lot of the gratitude journals I see in the market is they're so prescriptive. They've got so much like do this, do this, do this. That's not my thing. I like to be able to provide information, prompts, notes to self like this, and so you can record what's important. And so you can actually design and use the notebook how you want to use it without having these kind of daily prompts, which I often see when people buy those types of journals. They end up just being blank. People don't know what to write in them, or they feel a bit overwhelmed by them. I never wanted to create something like that. I wanted to create something where you can actually take ownership of your notebook, record your journey, your learnings, where you're up to at this point. And then you have the choice every day how you want to record your notes, how you want to record your gratitude, and it's numbered pages, so you can actually go back and record in the table of contents what's in there. And then as you work through your notebook, however you're going to use it, if it's going to be for mindfulness or gratitude or just just standard daily journal, that there is interspersed with whakatauki and prompts. So something you can really make it your own, however you want to do it, without having lots and lots of questions to answer. Sometimes I find that a bit too overwhelming. Sometimes I like just to have simple prompts, just what are you recording for the day? What are you grateful for the day? Those are really good habits to have. They also have a back envelope. I'm going to keep any notes in them. And they're just a really handy, not too big, not too small, really good quality notebook that you can use for both mindfulness, gratitude, however you want to make it your own.